Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Most of us can identify with drones a little bit more. So that's my next question. How are drones being utilized in modern farming practices?
Yeah, and I have to say, as a drone pilot, I'm a little bit biased towards these. So drones have a lot of applications. There are different types of drones. So we're probably thinking a lot about small drones, and these would be drones that weigh less than 55 pounds. And the FAA is in charge of managing all aircraft in the United States, and this includes drones. So we're allowed to fly small drones below 400 feet if they weigh under 55 pounds. If you want to fly a larger drone, you have to get another, basically a pilot's license.
Wow.
And so with a small drone, these little hexacopters or quadcopters, like they'll call them, they can cover tens of acres in about 30 minutes or an hour for their battery time. And it's perfect, like you guys said, for ranchers looking for cattle or checking tanks. But if you want to fly a larger drone, there are platforms now for spraying, and these things can be used for pesticides or for fertilizer, and they're big. I mean, they'll drive in with these on the back of a trailer, and they'll just launch them off the back of the trailer and fly up and down a field for a few hours and basically replace a crop duster.
And they have... Go ahead.
Oh, no, they're very useful, I think, in the farming space. And then just in the business intelligence gathering space, drones have been used for a long time now in farming to just take... it's called NDVI, or Difference Normalized Vegetation Index, where you can see how green your field is. And you can see things like if irrigation pipe has broken out in a distant part of your field. And if you can go out there and fix it, that can save you a lot of money down the road. Or if you can see that there's you've got a pest or some other kind of blight in your field, you can put an application out there and that can save you money.
Awesome.
And so the cost of the drone is the savings come in your reduction in your application of fertilizer or pesticide.
Excellent.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.